We call him just Gus. Why did you want to see my hand before? You better show me yours. Get your hand. Oh, that's lovely. That's beautiful. Can I have one of these?
Well, no. I'm sorry. It's not possible.
Well, that's just not fair. I'll give you one of my best cats, my favorite. I'll give you a jellicle cat. I will.
I'm sorry. I really don't have anything to give you.
That's the truth.
Did you hear that?
Here, you can have this.
What is that treasure?
I don't know.
You don't know. You're full of secrets as McCavity. McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity.
What lies beyond this place? Do you know?
Suavity. Oh, I know. Nothing. Nothing there.
Did your father or mother ever mention another place?
My mother, no, she never mentioned any other. Nothing at all. Nothing.